Spanish greetings and responses. Of course, you can't expect to have some small talk without knowing some Spanish greetings. One of the most popular words in Spanish is hola, which means hi or hello. You can also use the following Spanish expressions. Good morning. Buenos días. Buenos días. Good afternoon. Buenas tardes. Buenas tardes. Good evening or good night. Buenas noches. Buenas noches. To keep the conversation going, it's time to ask, how are you? Here are some basic Spanish questions that come after greeting. How are you? Formal. ¿Cómo está usted? ¿Cómo está usted? How are you? Informal. ¿Cómo estás? ¿Cómo estás? How are you? Informal, or what's up? ¿Qué tal? ¿Qué tal? How's it going? ¿Cómo te va? ¿Cómo te va? What are you doing? ¿Qué haces? ¿Qué haces? What's happening? ¿Qué pasa? ¿Qué pasa? If someone asks you one of these questions, you can use the following conversational Spanish phrases. Good, thank you. Bien, gracias. Bien, gracias. Very well. Muy bien. Muy bien. So. Así, así. Así, así. As always. Como siempre. Como siempre. And also don't forget about this fundamental follow-up question. And you? ¿Y tú? ¿Y tú? If you feel like it's time to switch to English, you're free to clarify whether the person you're talking to speaks English or not. Just say, ¿habla inglés? That is used for, do you speak English? Thanks for the watching.